So the chairman of the Professional Football of Jamaica Limited, Mr. Chris Williams, has expressed optimism at having local Premier League clubs listed on the junior stock market. Mr. Williams referenced his optimism on the fact that several big clubs across Europe were listed on the London Stock Exchange. And in the not too distant future, that is the way to go for the local Premier League clubs. Ambitious and visionary as usual from Mr. Williams. The fact of the matter is that local football clubs cannot survive the way things are now. And the idea of capitalizing local football clubs is a brilliant one in theory. With a wagonist football culture and the limited scope of our football economy, potential investors will have to be convinced that the league and the clubs and the administrators can evolve into a comprehensive product that will be seen as viable and profitable, attractive enough for people to put their money where their mouth is. I can tell you, the hurdles will be many and it won't be easy. But at least Mr. Chris Williams has a dream, and it's a dream worth having. Yes. Harbour View and Arnett Gardens and Portmore and Dumble and Mount Pleasant and Tivoli Garden and Waterhouse and the Stock Exchange.